How to install O-rings on an IntelliROL wheel divert.
Listed are the tools required. Safety. Always lock out the power source and follow recommended safety procedures.
Turn off the air to the wheel divert. It is a good idea to take a picture of the wheel diverter for reference. Remove the 2 outside rollers. Remove all the keeper plates that hold down the rollers. Remove the next 2 outside rollers. Remove the bottom guard. Remove the clevis in each row. Use an Allen wrench to remove the socket head screws. Detach the O-rings with your fingers. Lift the wheel bracket upwards and loosen the 4 screws on the pivot arm to remove the roller. Remove the plastic washers from both ends of the roller and remove the roller out of the bracket. Be careful not to lose the plastic hex bushing. Repeat step 8 and 9 for the other 3 rollers and brackets. Replace O-rings. Make sure the correct O-rings are in proper placement. Install the roller in row 1 first. Use a putty knife to help guide the roller in place. Tighten the 4 screws on the pivot arm. Install the plastic washers on both ends of the roller. Connect the O-rings around the wheels. Reinstall the clevis to the bracket. Install the outer drive roller. Repeat the previous steps for the next 3 rows. Make sure the hex axles are points up in the roller bracket. Use a 7/16 inch wrench to rotate the axle. Reinstall all the keeper plates. Install the 2 outside rollers. Install the bottom guard.
For more Fortna conveyor maintenance videos, visit fortna-conveyor.com.